Hello and welcome all. Today we will discuss about the digestive enzymes and the role of the digestive enzymes and where they are produced and the site of release of the different enzymes and the pH level of these enzymes. So let's get started. This column will represent the name of the enzyme and this column will represent the enzyme where it produced, and this column will represent the site of the release of the enzymes, and this column will represent the pH level of the enzymes. So let's get started one by one. So first we have the enzymes which play role in the metabolism or the digestion of the carbohydrates. In this we have salivary amylase, pancreatic amylase and maltase. So the salivary amylase is produced in salivary glands, and the site of release is mouth, and the pH level of this enzyme is neutral. Second is pancreatic amylase, which help in carbohydrate digestion. So the pancreatic amylase is produced in pancreas, and their site of release is small intestine, and the pH of this enzyme is basic. Next is maltase, which help in the carbohydrate digestion. So this enzyme is produced in small intestine, and the site of release of this enzyme is small intestine, and the pH level of this enzyme is basic. So these three enzymes, that is salivary amylase, pancreatic amylase and maltase, are responsible for the carbohydrate digestion. Next are the enzymes which help in the digestion of the proteins. So in this category we have pepsin, trypsin and peptidase. So let's get started with these three. So the pepsin is produced in gastric glands, and the site of release of this is stomach, and this pepsin is acidic in nature. Next is trypsin. Trypsin helps in the protein digestion, and this trypsin is produced in pancreas, and the site of release of this trypsin is small intestine, and this enzyme is basic in nature. Next is peptidase. Peptidase help in the digestion of the protein. So the peptidase produced in small intestine, and their site of release is same small intestine, and this enzyme, that is peptidase, is basic in nature. Then this is about the enzyme that help in the protein digestion. Next is the enzyme that help in nucleic acid digestion. So in this category we have nuclease and nucleosidase enzymes. So nucleus is produced in the pancreas, and the site of release is small intestine, and this enzyme is basic in nature. Next is nucleosidase. It help in the nucleic acid digestion. It is produced in pancreas, and the site of release is small intestine, and this enzyme is also basic in nature. Next is enzyme which help in the fat digestion, that is lipase. So lipase is produced in the pancreas, and their site of release is small intestine, and this enzyme is basic in nature. So here point to remember that all enzyme are basic in nature except pepsin. It is acidic in nature, and salivary amylase, it is neutral in nature. Rest all other are basic in nature. So thank you.